you in need of a tricycle for all purpose in your farm or at home or in your transport system, you are welcome to Shanghai Honggang Machinery Manufacturing Company, the leading manufacturer of tricycles in Shandong province, China. So behind me is one of our tricycles that has just been assembled, and with our tricycles, they are very efficient. The efficiency is very high. It does not consume too much diesel. You know, the size of the tricycle are so cute to the extent that it can maneuver all terrain. I mean, any type of road, whether it is rough road or tight road or whichever road it is, you can drive our tricycles. And also, they are very durable. I mean, the durability nature of our tricycle are of high standard, because the metals that are used to produce these tricycles are of high quality, and beside that, the engine installed is Chinese powerful Jingsen engine, and so it is very effective. And beside that, the price is very low, because we are the production company. We produce by ourselves, and so because of that, the prices are very cheap and the quality is also of high standard. So just give us a telephone call on WhatsApp or on Facebook or any platform, and then our sales team will help you buy from us.